Kardex has been in the industry for decades. We're known for a quality product. One of the aspects that Kardex is known for and why people come to us to buy machines is because of our customer service. Kardex always puts the customer first. We will do whatever it takes to ensure that the customer gets their machine or machines delivered and is happy with the installation and the quality. Kardex built the new U.S. factory in South Carolina on the eastern seaboard. It's a state-of-the-art 280,000 square foot facility that enables us to do everything under one roof and ship machines that are American-made from South Carolina to our customers throughout North America. It lessens the lead time, it increases our global production.
These machines are very reliable, so it's really more of a discussion with any specific customer about what sort of risk they want to take on versus what sort of program they want to engage in, what kind of contract they need to make that situation as low risk as possible over time. One thing that's unique with Kardex is that we have a great support structure and a great product portfolio when it comes to software, integrations, and systems. We do have the biggest service network in North America. We work closely with, of course, our installation team, sales, and the business. We know what's coming down the pipeline, we know what we're doing, so we can be ready to support customers as best we can. We have, another 100 people that are dedicated working only with service, only with existing customers to make sure that everything is in order, whether it's the contracts, renewals, we're always ready for what comes next.
The average tenure of a person at Kardex is about 12 years right now. We have somewhere in the neighborhood of 30 people that have been here more than 20 years. So we like to think that when we hire somebody, our motive is we want to hire that person for their entire career. Since 2012, our business today is 5 times larger. Part of that is our market. Our market has gotten bigger, and the idea of automation or semi-automation has increased exponentially as well. Most of the time, people's goods sit on a tray or on a shelf or in a rack, and they can see it, they can touch it, they can go get it. When Kardex Remstar comes in, we take all of those items and we put them inside of a big blue box. When somebody sells a piece of capital equipment to somebody, it's all about risk. You have to be trusted. Do you trust us? And with our infrastructure, the people, the number of salespeople, the number of dealers, the experience that we have, that makes that question a lot easier to answer in the form of yes.